Sorry, I've been talking all the time. All right, we risk basically $600 to make almost 2,000. So if we close back above here and we shoot up higher, this will be solid. If not, we'll get out with like $300-400. So this is good either way. $300. Okay. And we rejected off this area that we talked about where most trades were placed. You can see right here. We'll see if this holds up. If this doesn't hold up, we start to sell off, and we'll probably come down and break the lows. And we're getting aggressive selling, so we've had all morning. We had this whole drop right here. I'll take a small risk here. Underneath here. Let the sellers get absorbed up here. If we close back above here, we'll be good. If not, we're in trouble. Hi, Tay. How you feeling, bud? Wasn't the best area, but hey, this could take off. All right, we're down to 50. Okay, that was a bigger stop loss, but it's all right. So long's no longer. I should have been more patient about waiting for that area, but it's okay. We'll see how this plays out. Sellers are definitely strong, so we'll give this a little break.
Going down. We can see this.
About there. If we go here, volume profile. Still fire high up here. Okay. Hopefully we get a nice push up. If not, I'll be out of this trade at this point.
It's good in my shiver. Oh, and the cheese.
Get me his rope.
Come on, we gotta push off to say. If not, we're screwed. We'll take the loss here.
Tasty like mine?
Mine looks like mine
I
has a
just started laying on me.
look. I have a Pikachu. 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 What do you like mine? Because I have Pikachu. Pika.
There's some buying there. Gotta see if that holds. If this one holds, I'll be okay. That'll be my support, even though I should have taken a trade probably down there. And it's kind of off the POC, or near the POC, I guess you would say. Oh, thank you. But if this holds, this would be nice. If not, I'll take the loss. It's, you know, it is what it is. It'll be a bigger loss. I'll have to recover this, but if not, I'll just call it a day on this one. Either way. Oof. Yeah, it's gonna hit for sure. Fully accepted the loss at that point. This could be a good entry right here. If it breaks back above here, this could be a really good entry because what you can see is absorption and then buyers stepping in again. So that's kind of what I should have waited for, but 7 o'clock, you could have some news coming out related. Yeah, it's okay. You have aggressive sellers here, so maybe we go short. If not, we put a buy stop order above here because we did have absorption here, and then we could. This would be our last trade on this account. We'll go here. And then we'll try to get all the way up here for the value area high. So basically we'll aim for $1,000 basically in profit. And if it doesn't, if this breaks, then yeah, we'll be done for the day. We'll be down like 1,200. But even though we made what, almost 5,000 on Friday. Now we can recover some of this. Yep. This is what I wanted to see. We got to break this area here. This is strong resistance, but we can move here. We can move to stops to break even. All right. Then we can start covering ourselves underneath these positions. Got to break this. This is the most important area right here in this middle of this range. Oh, damn. You're getting aggressive selling here. This is a big, strong area down here. So we could cover half our losses here. But this also could be a bigger trade. But you know, I say we just protect ourselves and hopefully this turns into a bigger trade. That'd be my hope. If we can break back above here, then we'll be okay. Because if they can't protect this area, then yeah, I don't want to be in this trade. Yeah. And this may just bounce, but if they couldn't break this area and they try to retest and they couldn't break, then I might just be taking shorts here. Oh, wow. Strong selling. Strong selling. I'll try one more time. Stop loss is gonna go below here. See, that's not good. I should have stuck to my bias and went short, but oof, down 14. Okay, that was aggressive. That was super aggressive. Okay. Wait till it takes out this high. We'll see what happens here. I should have seen this and then goes here and then. So if this gets absorbed down here, we'll see at the lower here. Oh, you're low. It's shifted a little bit.
Get his wires back.
Get his what, baby? And we're getting divergence down here again, so if we close back above here, this could be possibly a fairly good trade. Here. And then we'll go all the way up here. There. What we'll do is we'll try to cover some of this position here. And this is divergence here. You can see right here, it's divergence right at the bottom here. So this could be fairly strong. And you have buyers here that are really stepping in, so we could cover our position right here and close out and pretty much cut our losses in half here. But what we'll do is we'll trail this, because I think if this turns into a good trade, it could turn into somewhere up here we can get out if it's a trail or something like that. But we could risk of getting nothing out of this either. That's part of the risk. And right now we need to win back some profits because we had that decent sized loss right there. we're getting resistance again. Not good. Hey, hey. What are you doing, bro? Yeah, we could have cut some of the losses there, but we'll see. If it goes back above here. Hey, get down. I'm uncomfortable with him above my head. And there we go. Okay. If we close back above here, we'll be solid. If we get back above the point of control, then we'll see it climb up to probably this area here. Or maybe not. Maybe I should have just closed it at that point. We'll see if we get absorption down here again. This is very strong again. We're trying one more time. You got your lunchbox, babe? You got your lunchbox right there? We're gonna go here.
What the heck? He's on my top.
He's on your bed?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Look, he's up there. Look, see him?
He's funny. He's a silly cat. Okay, this is good now.
Bobo! Look it!
What we could do here is now protect ourselves underneath there.
Look at Lolo. Look at Lolo up there. Look at Lolo up here. That's a really cat. Look at look.
Funny, huh, Rolo?
That's a really cat.
We'll see how this one closes not. We'll protect ourselves here, and then if this doesn't close there, then ends up falling, then we're in trouble. Ooh. Because sellers are definitely been aggressive here. But we came off the POC, so if this fails here, then we can move it above here. And that will be like $255. Okay, we'll see there's buyers stepping in there. We'll see if they're serious about this. We'll just hold this right here. Yeah, and that's not good. We gotta see aggressive selling, and then you see the follow through. So one thing we gotta wait for is if it closes back above here and then here, then we'll be solid. I think we'll take profit here. But even then, if we reject here, then there we go. That's good. That's good. Absorption down here. If we close back above, this would be a good area protection. So what we can do here is most likely protect ourselves here. At least get $100 out of it. Buyers they're starting to. Here, I'm not gonna put it yet. So buyers are starting to falter up here a little bit. The CBD is growing, which is a good thing, but there's no follow through. So buyers are trying to push really hard and they're not getting follow through. But if we close back above here and we get the follow through here up into this range, we will be solid. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for. We do have aggressive selling happening again. Like they just keep on hitting the aggressive sells, so they're there. Sellers are definitely pushing down. So, but we are in the range on the TPO chart where buying should be taking place. So, and I think it could work out really well. We could recover all our losses here, and maybe I recover some of it. I mean, if I could just cover my original loss, which would be somewhere right around here, which is right where the, yeah, or we can go up here, 2100. That's if it does go up there. If this gets absorbed, this could be the igniting factor to push it up. Oh. And we'll see. It's just the sellers have been super aggressive. There's a lot of orders being placed around here. You can see the aggressive sellers, but they are getting absorbed, and price action is showing that as of right now. And there we go. They did get absorbed in that area. It's right near the value area low, so.
Daddy, where is he?
What's up, babe?
Where's Rolo?
Where's Rolo?
Yeah.
I don't know where he went. He ran underneath over there. Other side.
Over there?
Yep. Over there. Exactly. Okay, now what we can do here.
I need a flashlight, Dad.
You need what?
I need your. Can I have your phone with the flashlight?
Oh, let's see if he's underneath the bed.
Yeah, I can't see him.
You can't see him?
Yeah. Dad, can I use your phone, please?
Hold on, though.
Okay. I can see him.
You can see him?
Yeah.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
You see his eyes? Are they poking out?
Hmm?
Is his eyes like looking at you? Yeah.
I can totally see him.
You what? You can totally see him?
Yeah, look.
Good job, babe.
Wait. Don't take a picture. Actually.
Okay, hold on. If you can see him right there, just be careful, okay? Yeah, look at that. Cells just kicked in there.
Gone.
And we did close above, so if we close above back here, then we'll be okay. But as of right now, it is getting aggressive. Thank you, babe.
Look.
Let me see.
I just got one picture.
Oh gosh, I can see.
Wait. Want me picture one more time?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, babe. We're just gonna manage this trade, even though we're down. We could get out somewhere right around here, or even at the. So what we can do here is move our stop all the way up to failed. That's if we close above, we can move it again. We'll move right underneath here.
Dad, look.
Yep.
I got a picture of him. Look, I see it. Look, you see him right there?
Oh, I could see him. His eyes are like that. I could totally see him.
What? What? Which one?
So now what we can do here is put it above there. Guaranteed ourselves 600. Put it below there. And we're steamrolling, baby. We're going to go back up to this range. If not, we're going to break it. That might be crazy good. We'll see. And the reason why I think we're still long is because it's been heavily bullish the last. Not heavily, it's been bullish for sure. So if we close here, we'll go here. Yeah, we're right off the, what do you call it? I'm losing VWAP. You can go here. 1100 guaranteed. All right, there we go. We recovered. We're back, only down 300. So we'll see off the VWAP. I could have covered here at the VWAP and probably been a smarter move. But we will see. We'll see how this absorption goes. There's definitely absorption up here. If it closes back above, then we're going to continue to take longs. But you can see the CVD is growing on the longs, but we'll see how this plays out down into this area. That was a good place to get out. I think I had a good exit. I got about what, almost $1,100. So I covered pretty much almost my whole loss. We'll see how this plays out though. We'll see if we break this. So you have absorption up here. If we break this, then this could come ripping down again. Or we could go here and try to take a small scalp here. Just to here. Just risk a small amount. And we could try to take it all the way up to the value area high if that works out. Right there. 325. Because CVD is still growing, so we'll see if this is if we close back above there. I thought we were gonna close. Yeah, that's alright. I thought we were gonna close back above here, but we haven't seen anything yet. So my stop should have been here, technically. It's alright. We're still gonna aggressive selling here, so now we're getting a little bit of absorption right here. We'll see if that actually follows through. Oh, yep, that was the move right there. Because this is going to push all the way back up. That was the absorption play I wanted to see. Yep. We'll go here. I think we're going to go test the value area high. We're right in the POC, so we'll probably go test up here. Basically risking 2 to 1. We'll cover everything and be in the green at this point. If this is the case, if I take the loss here, then I'll probably call it a day on this trade. On this count, I'll maybe trade one more other count, possibly. But there's no point in and we're starting to fail here, so I don't like this. We did have absorption down here, so this will be the prime area where either rejects here and we go up higher and then you get more absorption, or it just fails in general. Either way.
Bro, what do you want? Food?
Rilla maybe wants to get fed this morning.
Stop. Alright, come on.
So you can see buyers probably stacking orders below this aggressive sell, but we'll see if this breaks this aggressive sell, then this could come ripping all the way down here. I just wish I would have placed a smarter trade here, but I still think this could work out very nicely and we could get out with positive 500 bucks. If that's the case, then I'll call it a day, because this has been kind of a rough morning. Hasn't been the best of trade. So if this one plays out, then I'll call this count a day and then be up 400 or 500 bucks, whatever it may be. It'll be like 400 bucks if that's the case, if it hits. Oh, my hands are itchy. Itchy hands. I don't know. We'll see. It could put me back to where I originally minus like 1,000, 1,100, whatever. Yeah. I should have just stopped there, but we'll see. That absorption happened, and then we couldn't close above. So that area we're trying to close above, we couldn't quite close above. So just kind of shitty that we moved up. We tapped off VWAP, and then we just couldn't quite. We're technically off. Okay, so we're technically value lows right here. So this could be a good trade to take up to here.
Daddy,
Yes?
Daddy, I'm gonna drop off.
Yeah.
Are you gonna drop off to school?
Are we what?
Drop off to school?
For school?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Levy.
Turn around. Yeah, he's gonna have a great day today.
You have a good day today, huh?
Yeah, because he already brushed his teeth. Oh. Oh. Let's fix that. He already brushed his teeth. He already has his lunch pack.
Wow.
What happened?
Your ball hair. It's not dry.
Hey, come here, watch me show you. See your hair? I don't know what the heck happened there. Yeah. Don't do that. Did you forget,
Wait, are you gonna get the Pepsi teacher? Is it for you? What's that for?
Let's see if this play works out. If this one works out, then we'll cover everything. And then if not, I could recover all my loss, which would be right around here. Which wouldn't be bad. I wouldn't be. I would be down to do that too, to recover my loss. Because at that point, if this hits, I'm done for the day. At least for this account, I'm done. Cause I'm not willing to risk over $1,500 for. I should have been done when I earned it back at 300 just from the day we're rocking. So
Can you put the necklace on for me? Like the candy
and we're technically at the value area low. So this was a good trade. I mean, he had absorption. So and most likely that's gonna get tagged out. But my jacket on. Yeah, and if that's the case, we'll be done for the day. I do have a great Friday, so I'm completely okay with that. If we win this back and recover all our losses, I'll be cool with that too. I'll be like, all right, we're back to break even. Okay, and that'll be it for me on this count. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.